This is absolute value. Pay close attention to how we do it. Don't do it your way, because it didn't work, remember? Anyway, problem A, x equals plus or minus 4. When you have equals, it's very basic. What you should do is stop the movie and try doing B and C on your own. The answer to B is x equals plus or minus 6. And here in C, it's x equals plus or minus 1/2. Now D, I'll do that one, and you should stop the movie and try E and F. Now, when you have absolute value is less than, you should be thinking between. And it's going to be between, in D, it's going to be between plus or minus 4. So it's going to be written minus 4 is less than x is less than 4. Interval notation would look like that. You should stop the movie now and you try E and F. In E, it's between plus or minus 5, so minus 5 is less than x is less than 5. And in interval notation, that would look like this. In F, it's between minus 6.5 and 6.5. In interval notation, it would look like this. Oops, okay, gotta get to the next one. Let's go to the next one. Oops, don't want that. Window, no, here we go. Sorry about the delay. In G, you notice this time it's greater than, so now we're going to think wings. We got to be to the left of negative 4 or to the right of 4. And interval notation, that would be minus infinity to minus 4, comma, or you could use the word or, 4 to infinity, like that. There's your answer for G. You should stop the movie and do H and I. For that matter, it wouldn't hurt for you to do the bottom. 21, 22, and 23, we start mixing things up. In H, you should be thinking wings, so we're going to be to the left of negative 8 or to the right of 8. Interval notation, minus infinity to minus 8, bracket, comma, bracket 8, comma, infinity. Again, in I, you should be thinking wings because the absolute value is greater. So we're going to have y to the left of minus 1/2 or y to the right of 1/2. And interval notation would be minus infinity to minus 1/2, comma, 1/2 to infinity. Now we're mixing things up in 21 and following. Here, this is just x equals plus or minus 3. In 22, x is equal to plus or minus 5. In 23, notice the absolute value is less than. You should think between. So minus 3 is less than, x is less than 3. Don't use your method. Your method didn't work on the quiz. I'm speaking to the class as a whole, classes as a whole. Anyway. Okay, next page. (24). This is between. So x has got to be between 5 and negative 5. And here's the interval that goes with that. Between. In 25, these are the wings. So x has got to be to the left of minus 2 or to the right of 2. And here are the intervals that go with that. In 26, you know, its absolute value is bigger than the positive number, so we think wings. Y has got to be to the left of minus 8 or to the right of 8. So minus infinity to minus 8, parentheses, comma, parentheses 8, comma, infinity. There's your wings again. 27, wings. So that means t has got to be to the left of minus 5.5 or to the right of 5.5. So here we go. Here are the intervals for that. Whoops. You getting the idea? Between or wings, or is it just the two simple jobbies? Anyway, window 29. This is a simple jobby. So this is going to be x minus 3 is equal to 12 or minus 12. Then add 3 to both sides. You get 15 and minus 9. Don't do it your way. It didn't work, remember? Anyway, number 30. This is going to be 3x minus 2 equals 6 or negative 6. Add 6. You get 3x is 8 or negative 4. Then divide by 3. So 8/3 or minus 4/3. A, problem A. 2x minus 4 is going to be 2 or negative 2. So 2x is 6 or 2, which means x will equal 3 or 1. In B, 5x minus 4 will equal 11 or minus 11. So 5x is 15 or minus 7. So x will equal 3 or minus 7/5. 7/5, minus 7/5. Okay. There you go. Next. Okay, now you got wings. Oops, no, this is between. Part A. 3x minus 2 has to be between 4 and minus 4. So add 2 to all three sides. You get minus 2 is less than 3x is less than 6. And then divide by 3. So minus 2/3 is less than x is less than 2. So minus 2/3 to 2. You should try B, B, 31 and 32. Stop the movie and try them. B is between. 2x minus 4 has to be between 2 and minus 2. Add 4. So 2 is less than 2x is less than 6. Divide by 2. And there you go. 31 is between. So you're going to have 2x minus 3 is between 4 and negative 4. Add 3. You're going to have minus 1 is less than or equal to 2x is less than or equal to 7. Divide by 2. And here is the interval. There you go. And 32 is between. So 5x plus 2 has to be between 3 and negative 3. Now solve. You're going to have minus 5 is less than or equal to 5x is less than or equal to 1. And then divide by 5. Minus 1 is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to 1/5. So bracket minus 1 comma 1/5 bracket. Next. Number 12 is wings. We're going to have 2x minus 5 to the left of minus 1 or 2x minus 5 to the right of 1. Now solve each. 2x is less than or equal to 4. X is less than or equal to 2. Or, on the other side, 2x is greater than or equal to 6. So x is greater than or equal to 3. So this would be minus infinity to 2, bracket, comma, bracket 3 to infinity. That's a positive 2. You should stop the movie and try B and 33 and 34. 33 is wings. 2x minus 1 is going to have to be to the left of minus 3 or to the right of 3. So 2x is going to be less than minus 2. X is less than minus 1. Or in the other one, 2x is greater than 4 or x is greater than 2. And this is going to be minus infinity to minus 1 like that, and comma 2 to infinity. Don't forget to use the word or comma when you're supposed to, like in these, in the wings. In 33, this is wings again. So 2y minus 7 has to be to the left of minus 10, or, use a comma, 2y minus 7 has to be greater than 10. Now solve each. 2y is less than minus 3, so y is less than minus 3 halves. Or the other one, 2y is greater than 17, so y is greater than 17 halves. So minus infinity to minus 3 halves, or 17 halves to infinity. Box in your answer. 34 is also dealing with wings. 3y minus 4 has to be to the left of minus 8, or 3y minus 4 has to be to the right of 8. So 3y is less than minus 4, y is less than minus 4/3, or in the other case, 3y is greater than 12, y is greater than 4. So here we go again. Don't forget the or, comma. Okay, 35. This is wings. So we're going to have 4x minus 9 has got to be to the left of minus 14, or 4x minus 9 has got to be to the right of 14. So 4x is less than or equal to minus 5. X is less than or equal to minus 5/4. Or, in the other case, 4x is greater than or equal to 23. X is greater than or equal to 23/4. So here's the interval. Hope by now you're getting more comfortable with all this. That's why we're doing so much. Got to get it down, down, down so the grade can go up, up, up. Well, anyway, wings again in 36. 9y minus 2 has got to be to the left of minus 17, or 9y minus 2 has got to be to the right of positive 17. So 9y is less than minus 15. Y is less than minus 15/9, which reduces to minus 5/3. Or, in the other case, 9y is greater than 19, so y is greater than 19/9. And here's the interval that goes with that. Okay, we'll do 2 more. Subtract 9 from both sides. You got to do that first. This is between, so m plus 5 has to be between 7 and minus 7. Subtract 5. There you go. Hope you're getting it. And then in 39, we've got the absolute value of t minus 7. We have to subtract 3 first. This is wings. T minus 7 has to be to the left of minus 1, or t minus 7 has to be to the right of 1. Solve each. T is less than or equal to 6, or t is greater than or equal to 8. and here are the intervals that go with it. I think that might be it. Let's see, the next page. Well, I'll do 40. I'll do 40 and 41. We'll skip 46. Okay, subtract 13 from both sides here. The absolute value of g plus 7, it will equal -9. Well, the absolute value cannot equal a negative number. There is no solution on this one. On 41, subtract 11. And then divide by 2. And so the 2x minus 7 is got to equal 7 or minus 7. So 2x is going to equal 14 or 0. X then is going to equal 7 or 0. And that is the end. I hope you got your absolute value stuff down now.